Over the past month, the crypto market has resembled a rising tide for all coins from Bitcoin to Cardano, yet data suggests development across the asset class hasn't been equivalent. Furthermore, other blockchain-based currencies, such as the third highest esteemed cryptocurrency, Cardano, has dramatically increased. Cardano and Bitcoin may as of now be on your investment watch list, but why is Cardano the better investment? We have the answer for you. Hello guys and welcome back to Richly. Today in this video we will investigate why Cardano will hit $35 and pass Bitcoin. Stay tuned with us until the end so you don't miss out on any of the updates. Let's get started. Have you been aware of Cardano's ADA? Do you figure it will hit $35? Allow us to really look at the statistics. Cardano costs, as of now, around $2.50. Cardano has been established by a team of academics and engineers and offers a novel approach to scaling and securing a blockchain network. Cardano is a non-profit platform with 3 separate bodies responsible for keeping up with and fostering the platform. The cryptocurrency which operates in the Cardano network is called ADA and, similar to others, can be used for direct value transfer. Moreover, the web can deal with smart contracts right now. The Cardano cryptocurrency looks exceptionally promising, so the quantity of investors willing to invest in ADA is steadily rising. The CoinSwitch news website experts accept that the cost of Cardano will increase in 2020. Overall, Cardano is a third-generation cryptocurrency which should overcome the problems Bitcoin and Ethereum encountered. As CoinSwitch states, future Cardano updates will work on its performance, scalability, and security, drawing in more investors. According to CoinSwitch's value prediction, ADA might reach $10 by the end of 2021. Right now, Cardano is affected by a strong vertical trend. The successful dispatch of the Shelley update has boosted ADA's functionality to a more elevated level, thus carrying more value to the blockchain network. Cardano has acquired tremendous confidence in its real use. Experts say it is one of the decentralized networks in the blockchain industry. Presently, let us take a gander at Bitcoin and its present cost. Bitcoin cost as of now is around $50,000. It has a circulating supply of 19 million Bitcoin coins and a max supply of 21 million. In the past 90 days, the cost of Cardano's ADA has increased by 53%, while that of Bitcoin by just 22%. In addition, there are several reasons why Cardano's ADA is liked over Bitcoin. Allow us to take a gander at the reasons why Cardano's ADA is superior to Bitcoin. There are differences between Cardano and Bitcoin. The most obvious distinction when comparing them is scale. The market cap of Bitcoin is 10 times higher and its everyday trading volume is 20 times higher. Yet this doesn't imply that Bitcoin is a superior investment asset or intrinsically better as innovation. Let's now compare the two coins based on several models. There are various specialized differences between Bitcoin and Cardano. Still, one of the most significant is the manner by which transactions occur. Despite its surviving fame, those hoping to invest in Bitcoin should be advised that there has been a lot of criticism of its Square creation protocol, which is slower and more costly than some adversary coins. When taking a gander at the transaction speed of Cardano versus Bitcoin, there is no competition. Cardano can oversee something like 257 transactions per second, compared to Bitcoin's 5 transactions per second. This is now reasonably amazing, yet a new scaling solution known as Hydra 2 promises to boost Cardano's processing time significantly further, with Charles Hoskinson asserting the network will ultimately be fit for processing more than 1 million transactions per second. It's reasonable to say that Bitcoin has acquired a lot of support from mainstream investors continuing into 2021, not least from Elon Musk, whose firm Tesla stated that it had procured around $1.5 billion of Bitcoin as a share of its new investment policy. Musk isn't the only one in his faith in Bitcoin, all things considered. Heisenberg Capital Max Kaiser is a chorus of voices that includes Morgan Creek Digital Anthony Pompliano and investor Alistair Milne, who all trust Bitcoin will surpass $100,000 by 2021. However, as we recently saw, Musk is also getting interested in Cardano. Therefore, it's equal on this point. Overall, concerning Proficient Views, it's really apparent that there isn't any competition between Bitcoin versus Cardano. Hardly any mainstream financial experts have wandered any striking predictions on the last mentioned. Notwithstanding, free rating agency Weiss Ratings is optimistic with regards to Cardano's future, having previously tweeted that it is one of the cheapest cryptos on the market, whilst also being probably the best venture in the industry. Similarly, Altcoin Daily host and crypto trader Austin Arnold believes the latest Gogo and Mary update to Cardano's infrastructure is a central reason that the Cardano cost is rising this month, and with more upgrades expected soon, it is possible ADA's value still has a lot of space to develop. It will also pose a test to the all-powerful Bitcoin. This is because those who invest in digital assets as of now, or are planning to realize that one of the secrets of successful investing is diversification. Thus, these investors will need their cryptocurrencies diversified as well, and this is at last liable to eat into Bitcoin's market share, predicts DeVere Group CEO and founder Nigel Green. Suppose you're planning to invest in cryptocurrency in 2021. In that case, you should remember that the market is famously hard to predict. Indeed, even forecasts from driving analytical platforms are often revised several times, starting with multi-week, then on to the next. No investment works without risk. Take your risks. Consult a financial advisor and settle on the best decision to become the following billionaire. The crypto world equates modest gains in the long haul. Regardless of whether you are cashing in for your retirement, hoping to develop your finances, or needing to discover more concerning the stock market, investing your cash doesn't need to be a scary process. Notwithstanding, it needs planning. Be financially responsible. Do some research of your own. Consult a decent financial investor or a financial advisor, and expect for karma to be your ally. ADA and other crypto coins serve a genuine purpose. Just like gold, they store and develop riches. They are not currencies unless you choose to make them. In addition, for that purpose, Cardano makes for an easier transaction than with genuine gold. In the event that you still don't see it, what about taking a gander at the performance point? The profit from the investment for those who overcame crypto 10 years prior are humongous. Nothing else even comes close to how well investors in Bitcoin did in 10 years. Shorter-term headline hogs like Doge are demonstrating it once more. However, the speed with which they are doing it adds to investors' skepticism. The wins can be so fast that they sound unrealistic. The altcoin leaders of 2020 won't necessarily be the top names of 2021. Cardano remains a strong competitor to become one of the most mind-blowing altcoins for the rest of this year. Because of its enormous market cap, it is as of now an extremely well-known currency among numerous in the crypto space. Numerous in the market are currently anticipating that ADA should work out in a good way more than $5 in the coming years. Notwithstanding, there are risks with cryptos. Blockchain innovation is still in its early stages. As anonymity is easily accessible, fraudsters could easily take cover behind a list of numbers. Further, even with large corporations committing to the crypto space, there's still minimal, unmistakable evidence that ADA or other altcoins can become part of regular routines in the near term. The coordination into the mainstream is tedious and expensive. Interested investors should watch out for Cardano with the end goal of purchasing the dips. Those who are skeptical of altcoins should observe and research them further for the time being. As another innovation, blockchain, and as another asset class, altcoins and especially Cardano will offer a lot more opportunities for long-haul investors. When we look out in the short-term price, Cardano price rose 15% from the to where it is currently trading. However, the resistance barrier at $2.55 is crucial and will help ADA decide directional bias. A decisive 4-hour candlestick close above it is likely to trigger an upswing. Assuming the bulls manage to close above $2.55, investors can expect Cardano price has a resistance-free path up to $2.74. However, overcoming this barrier and retesting the $2.82 ceiling will complete the 10% uptrend. We keep a watch on this one, guys. What price will Cardano reach in your opinion? Subscribe and like the video.